In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Yahoo Search from Microsoft Edge. If your searches in Edge are unexpectedly going through Yahoo, it usually means the default search engine in the browser was changed. The fix is quick, and I'll walk you through it clearly so your address bar searches go to the provider you prefer. Start by opening Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is running, look to the top right corner of the window and click the three dots, also known as the menu button. This opens the main menu where all of Edge's settings and tools live. From that menu, click Settings. This takes you to the control center for the browser. On the left side, you'll see a list of categories. Choose Privacy, Search, and Services. This is where Edge keeps options related to browsing data, security, and how search works inside the browser. Now, scroll all the way to the very bottom of this page until you find Search and Connected Experiences. Go ahead and click that. This section leads to the specific controls that determine how the address bar handles searches. Next, select Address Bar and Search. This is the exact spot where you tell Edge which search engine to use when you type a query into the address bar. You'll see a drop-down labeled Search Engine Used in Address Bar. Open that drop-down and choose the provider you want, such as Bing or Google. As soon as you pick one, Edge will use that engine for anything you type directly in the address bar. There's no separate save button here. Your choice applies immediately. A couple of helpful notes as you make this change. This setting controls searches from the address bar and the search box on the Start, Home, or New Tab pages that connect to the address bar. Some new tab layouts may still show a branded search box that looks different. That's normal. And what matters is that the address bar at the top now uses your selected engine. If you don't see the provider you want in the drop-down, it simply means it hasn't been added yet by Edge, and it will appear automatically the next time you search with that engine from the address bar. That's it. By opening Edge, going to the menu, heading into Settings, choosing Privacy, Search and Services, opening Search and Connected Experiences, then Address Bar and Search, and setting Search Engine Used in Address Bar, you've switched away from Yahoo and restored the search engine you prefer.